Anyway, you see this lady here, I want you to contact the police for me, here? There's a reward on it. Let's look out for her. No, you keep it. I have a lot in the bus there. I have to catch that lady. Subscribe now, man. You're free, right?
Maggy Films. Maggy.
Hello, little lady. Can I have some of your water? As from today, you will forever eat hands.
You don't know what you have done to me, you old evil wicked witch. I'm gonna find you. Thank God. It's you again. You're back again. You have become a grown woman now.
Don't you come any closer. I will punish you. Just like I did when you were a little girl.
need you to bring me back to 80. Yes. Because the police take away my broom, the long one, and I need it back. Don't worry about it. I can meet you where your boat is. I already have the money. Don't worry about it. Yes, because I need back my tall broom. I will meet you there. Yes. I already have the money. Don't worry about it. I always have money. Okay. I'll be there. Very sharp. Early you will see me. I am coming. Bye.
Yeah, you know, so there I'm a G. There I wait for an old lady here. Bring her over so already see me, you know. I'm going to carry her again see me, although she look kind of creepy still, but you know, I food where I work for see me, you know, so. Don't know a part I hustling down. Real me G, man. So I there they go and easy see me, you know. Don't know a thing set in the man. Bring her over there already and yeah. Take her on the work again, you know. Yeah, man. So you don't know a thing set, man. So if anything when I come back, man, we link you up, see you, man, make you know what I'm going down. Real my father, man. You know, everything active, you know. Right, that's it. Yeah, man. No everything set, man. Couple of burn of them want to get to me, cross the water, you know. You know the thing set. Straight to 80 we are going, man. So if I not we link up when you come back, you know the thing set. Food we say, you know. Yeah, man. Right, that's all. But anyway, I we link up in my general car. You see auntie coming now, you know. Alright, my naka. Yeah. But anyway, auntie, where you got so much bag, man? Oh, where you got so much bag, auntie? Oh, we're ready for going on a boat now. But anyway, where food? I don't know work, we are working, you know. We have to have a food before we do anything, you know. Want the food, auntie, you know. Far we are going, you know. To make sure you say food, right? Yes, I like food, this auntie. I mean, auntie, come on now. Boat there waiting, you know. Why, one thing though, this all man a slow him, man. Watch it, man. So I'm doing this about auntie. I put it over, you know. Pick up the anchor.
All right.
So auntie, how much money you did have for you, man? Can't get some of my money, man. Far where I come from, you know.
Hello?
Hello?
Who am I speaking to?
This is Sergeant Vassell, the policeman that came there the other day.
The police.
Yes. No man, I'm a sergeant man. I recently got promoted. I'm a sergeant. Yes man. For the good work I do man. Why would I want to thank your feet too, but you know. Yes. Anyway, listen to me. Why me if I talk loud, you know, but
Where are you calling my phone? Oh,
I need you to come down the station tomorrow. Tomorrow, yes. I need to collect a statement from you. Right. Yes. That police station. And make sure you're here, okay?
you want me to come by you, by the station, and give a statement? Okay. Tomorrow morning? Okay. Remember, that I cannot walk that fast, you know, so it's going to take a while for me to reach down there.
Alright? It's very important. I need to collect it. Okay?
Yes. Okay. I am coming.
Alright. Take care. Bye-bye.
Sarge, lady out front for give a statement. You know.
Which lady?
The old lady man will give a statement.
Oh, yes, man. Send her, hold on, yeah. Send her in, but hold on there. Carry them up for me run an exhibit. Pan them for me and make sure you put them up carefully.
Yes, Sarge.
Alright? Alright, then send her run for me.
This side, big man. Sarge, we see you now. My bad.
Granny, what's up, man? Finally, man, eh? Make your way down. Have a seat there for me. You can manage? Alright. Take your time, take your time. So what are you doing now?
I'm okay.
Yeah, put your bag there, so man. Put your bag in the other seat. Nobody not sitting there, so just put your bag over there, so. Yeah, man, thank you for coming, man, because what happened recently up at your place there, you know, we come in need you for, you know, collect a statement from you regarding the incident the other day. You can hear me good?
What did you say just before?
No, I said I'm glad you came down here.
Okay.
You know, for me to collect a statement from you regarding the incident at your place the other day.
What incident you're talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
With the young man that came in your house, man, you remember?
Oh,
Right.
I just remember what you're talking about now.
Right.
That idiot.
Yes. You know exactly what I'm talking. Alright, you like a memory I come back.
Yes.
We have him here, you know. Him in our cellar, we call it dungeon around this up. Dodge! Nothing enough. And when you're dark, when he come out, he have to take him while before him I adjust.
Dungeon?
So we call it round a man, one dark cell round there, so we have the boy, man.
Yes, you must hold him for 25 years because that boy is a very bad boy.
Troublemaker, man.
You know, he touched me on my breast and he was scratching right here. I have to slap him on his hand.
Good, that is the reason why I tell you to come and give a statement, because we can slap him with some charge, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Because them call that a sugar or a sugar when they touch you, a sugar.
Oh, yeah, I say. So a boy go in your house and he touch you. Hold on, let's tell him exactly where him touch you.
Them say when somebody touch you and you didn't tell them to touch you, that is a sugar.
Well, we call it assault. Anyway, where him touch you? Let's tell me why him then.
He touched me on my breast. He's very rude. And then he scratched my ass. I just slapped him on his hand. He's a very rude little boy. I don't like him.
Yeah, man, right? And your buttocks?
Yes,
and then your breast too?
Yeah, and my breast, and he tore my bra. Yes, that's what he did to me.
You don't like him again, be serious, man, in your bra?
Yes.
Him not come out here, man.
And then you know what? He came into my house and stick me up with a long
No, me have all of that.
thing.
Me have all of them evidence.
A long black thing. I don't know what you call it, but he stick me up with like a long black thing and
No,
another
man, don't worry yourself. Me have all of those evidence here.
Yes.
So don't worry. So anything else you like to add there, I mean, you know?
I wanted to let him stay in there because I do not like him. He must stay in there and rotten.
Alright, Granny, don't worry yourself. Never try to help you because trust me, we need to get people like them that are off of the street. Because them is a news. You can't imagine.
He threatened me.
Him can't go out. He come like him losing his crew.
He threatened me.
Tell me exactly how him threaten you. Exactly, because me have to write it down in the word exactly how it go. Exactly what he said. Alright? How him threaten you.
Okay. The first time when he came there, he told me that the next time he's coming, he's going to bring his dogs with him. So I was wondering if he have a lot of mongrels. But I went down the road and somebody told me that it's not the real dog with 4 foot. It's some 2 foot dog, and I'm so scared.
All right, Miss Williams, I want to thank you very much for coming here. Give me all this information to put on my case file. So it's when court time come, I have all of this information ready. Okay?
By the way, how did you get my number?
We're the policeman. Don't worry about that. Actually, we can get what we want. All right?
Can I leave now?
Yes, man.
You're keeping up my time, you know.
No, man, don't worry, man. We thank you for coming.
I have something very important to get done. I have some things to buy in the market.
Yeah, man. Just have a good day.
Okay, can you help me? I need to get up.
No, but no worries, man. Let's help you up there. My poor granny, I got you stressing. All right, yeah, man. Let's take your time.
Thank you very much, my son.
Yeah, man. Take your time.
I wish you all the best in life.
All right, granny.
And I hope I don't see your face
All right.
again.
All right, Miss Williams.
Okay.
My gosh. My granny wants to choke off, man. Jesus, teaching her to change her clothes. Hey, young boy. Read, Constable, read.
Yes, sir.
Come on here, come here. Read.
Yes, Sarge.
You know what? I need the 2 weapons I just gave you to tag them because I forgot I did not properly tag them before I gave it to you. So I need to tag them to put them back in there for me. Alright?
Why, Sarge, we have a local situation, you know. 16, it's there, you know, sir. But unfortunately, the Glock is nowhere in sight, sir. Me I wonder if it's a dopey pass through place. You don't see it.
I just gave you the guns.
So now, me I try show you,
Hold
sir.
on. So you didn't put away the guns I just gave you?
Yes, I did, sir, but when the lady there come through, sir, it's like, I don't know what happened, sir, but it's like...
What you say to me? This is, hold on, a gun is missing. I just gave you 2 guns and 1 missing?
Yes, Sarge.
How is that possible?
Sarge, I don't know, Sarge.
What do you mean you don't know? I just gave you 2 guns. So how on earth the guns are missing? That don't make any sense.
But Sarge, I try to show you, Sarge.
That's bullshit, man. What are you telling me?
Alright,
No, sir. Come on, show me what
for yourself, Sarge, because you not believe me.
This is... Where put the guns?
This side, Sarge.
Christ. What kind of foolishness? Sure. I can't believe it. You give people some directive and something like that is so serious. Eh? I could lose everything because of this foolishness. Why them young police? Listen, man, you can't go some man. But then again, I look at like a damn stupid. Can't even run a station. We are going to rectify this now. How are we going to solve this now? I don't know where them get them. Hello? Yes. God. Why me have a little situation here, man, I tell you. I said this place I run like I don't even know, like a party shop. Yeah, man. Yes, but me tell you what happened still. One of them little probation I would then give me, I go and work with me. Imagine, me give the guy two of the guns them to put in the pan. And by the time he come there, so me interview somebody and come back, he go tell me, say, one of the guns missing. Eh? But we know that. Yes, it's gonna look bad. We're going to have problems. All these things are going around the place now and then all of a sudden this could happen now. Boy, I don't know, you know. Boy, like, if you don't believe in how I believe in it now. I know. Listen, I wonder who really evaluate them new police here. How would they want to see them? Jesus. No, man, but no. I can't tell Soup that. But you know better. Eh? If him ever know a problem for me, so I forgot try so I can do and either try find where there so I can go report it to him. You don't know that. I'm going to find a way to get rid of him, that boy. I don't even trust him. I don't know where he come from. As I said before, I don't know who evaluate him. I forgot to try to find a way to get rid of him. I don't trust him. He looks like him, I don't trust him. He can't just miss a gun, so. Anyway. Yes, alright. Yeah, man, I forget you, but I might. But hold it down, you know. Please. You know me, I stay. Alright? I said nothing. Can't go in a problem. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Jesus Christ, boy.
Ha 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 ha! I see you in the next life. Bye. See you in the next life. I told you before and I will tell you again. Bye.
I'm gone again. What is the lad? I'm gone again. What is the lad? Another person. Jesus Christ, my child. Wait there. Where is it though? Where you have to find? Where you can? Sir, I know how I cause the chaos in the community. Look here. A couple of people come here already and tell me and it leads it not reach nowhere. Sir, meanwhile. You sure about that? Yes sir, we can. But I know directly where the person, but if I carry me down the street and I see a person, we can identify the person. But so we can't go to the wild bullshit, you know. No. Serious matter this. Serious thing, sir. Because right now I am of the belief that my friend that went missing, I just strongly believe that she do it as well. Wait there. Super! Boy, I'm up on a crime scene, you know. Boy, you're not gonna believe this, boss. 2 hand them missing like first. The first case them. Yes, boss. So, you know what? Me think, me have an understanding of what exactly happened. Me have to do a little more investigation. Alright, I mean I get back to you. I get to you with result, my boss. I think I have an idea what I go on. You know, must go like what I think, you know. But I have an idea, you understand? Yes, sir. Alright. Yeah, man, just give me a little time, man. I'll deal with it. Right away. Alright, my boss. Okay, so. Alright. Scenes of crime. A phone time. Come deal with this, sir. You know what? I just walk in here. I walk to the community, I know about to drive.
I'm gonna eat mine. Cruz, are you hungry? Cruz, I am coming. I can give you a hand. I am coming. You need something to eat? I am coming. Cruz, I can give you another hand. I know you love it. I am coming. Yeah. I have another hand for you, Cruz. I am coming. I know you love the first one that I give to you. Huh? You like it? I am coming. Oh, yes, yes. I know you're ready. You need something to eat. Hey, hey, I know you love it. It's very nice. I'm gonna get another one for you another day. You like it. Hey, bye. Bye, Cruz. I see you next time. You finish it, your food? You want more?
Something about that old man, am I right?
You need to shut up.
What?
Shut up inside there.
Shut up. How should I talk to? Shut up. What's that? Who? Huh? Shut up. How should I talk to? You look like she see me, man. As me walk past her, she gone in. You must see me, man. You have to see me.
See you later. I'm gonna hunt that wicked witch. That wicked old witch. I am going to hunt her.
Right, mantap ni makan.
in the next life.
Kau bisa. Super. Super. Yes. Why am I depan ala ke sini naman?
A little crime scene here. You would not believe this, boss. It's same pattern. Yes, same. No, I don't know, boss. Boy, super, you know, so this suspect when me have lock up because of this. You know, what I mean, know, things in a look so. Anyway, me auntie something in a soup, me auntie something right away. Here what me I go do? Yes, me I go send you the location. Yes, man, and just send the rest of the team. Yes, boss, because me auntie something right now. I can't too tired, but yes, me I go send the location. Because me auntie something, alright? Can't tired, yes, me I send it.
I'm back. You old witch. Where are you? I'm back. You wicked witch.
Here there!
Where?
Yeah, you have gun! No. Oh, shit! Oh. Shit. Oh, it's...
It seems like you've been following me for a very, very long time. Oh, you're gone.
lady shot me Superman, the old lady. Miss Williams, the same old lady there with the gentleman that say she. And we have a wrong man in our prison, man. A wrong man with hole. Yes, Super. Yes, man, that old woman there. Super, me not idiot, man. Me say the old woman. The old woman shot me. Wait, so I call you a laugh, Super. No believe me? And the old woman shot me, man. Miss Williams, the same old lady there. That the young man, anyway, just send paramedics and send it back up there, man. Check your location. Believe me, man. I believe me, no? And she... Alright, Super.
Yeah, Super. Super, I'm search the house, man. Nobody don't live here, man. A abandoned house, man. Alright. Alright, just check your information and call me back if I know. I'll leave the premises now. Alright. Yeah, man. Man, I come like some mad man, you know, man. What kind of old man for shoot? Yo, God no, man. Yo. Left you forced to, you know.
Home sweet home. Hello.
Hi.
Alright. Alright. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hold on a sec. Give me a second here.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, come closer there for me, please. Oh, pull a chair. Pull a chair. So you're the new probationer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I understand you were assigned to me, right? Super assigned to me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you're young?
Yes, sir.
Constable Young.
Yes, sir.
Alright, welcome.
Thank you.
Alright. Anyway, you know, actually, there's rules and guidelines here and stuff, and you're new here, right? So,
Right.
actually, this is your first, well, since I'm here, it's your first, I'm gonna deal with you. So, actually, I'm gonna have to place you in cells. You see, here, you know, you look like a CIB material, but you can't just come and just not know any place. I have to send you and make you know every little department. Alright, so you see for today, I'm going to send you in cells. Alright, so you get a feel of everywhere. Alright, so I don't know, I mean, you just go around and you know, you're well rounded, and then you know, actually, you know, you're on probation, which is 2 years. Alright, and simple thing, stick to the guidelines. Alright, respect your officers, respect your elders. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I don't expect you to do anything out of your jurisdiction or what this place here entails. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so anyway, as I said, welcome.
Thank
All
you. Is that it?
That's it for now, you know. That's it for now.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah,
What
go
happened
ahead.
there?
Boy, you want to see? Boy, one old man put a hole in me.
Wow.
Boy, I tried to laugh in stuck in high force. Oh, old man. Somebody we couldn't believe.
Wow.
Alright. So anyway, the cell block is that way, so you can just make your way around that side, alright?
Thank you.
Yeah man. Alright again. Take care. Constable Young,
Yes, Sarge?
you come here a minute for me.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, cell 4, prisoner in the name Zach. How are you bringing him come for me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, just bring him come for me, Zach. Alright?
All right.
Yeah man.
My car's over there.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
the Sarge said I must bring you around there.
Could I was now?
Stand up right there, young man. Stand up right there. Don't move.
Going to move me.
Come, go, so.
Yeah, I deal with my son. Nah, running on my son. I deal. Nah, I deal with my son.
Nah, you can stay right here, sorry.
Yes, Sarge.
Anyway, you can leave us, yeah?
Okay.
What you been doing, young man?
Yeah, Sarge.
Constable Young.
Yes, Sarge?
Yeah, a minute there, come back here. Go and get him something for me, please, cause I'm gonna release this young man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, hand him stuff then.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome.
Yes, boss.
Why, yeah, have a seat there, sir. Anyway, everything occurs still, so I feel kind of enlightened you want to go on. You understand me?
Yes, boss.
You're here under reasonable suspicion. You know that. And I don't know if you know the law, but you know, you understand sometime come out of your time and stuff, but that's what the law said. You understand? But you're free to go because a couple of development. Mr. Zach, the reason why we're letting you go, alright?
Yes, sir.
We did some investigations and we realized that, you know, you're a good youth. I realized that, you know, actually you're innocent of what's been taking place. You understand me? So, anyway, we don't have no ground to hold you. We have to let it go. Alright? Whilst you were in jail, you know, those exact crimes that were taking place, they were still occurring. So, we're on the belief that, not belief, we're sure that you're not, you know, the perpetrator. So actually, we have to let you go. Alright, we're really sorry about that. You know, there's no other words I can, you know, put it, but you don't want to what the system said. Alright? Boy, I'm going to tell you. You see this?
I heard.
You heard?
Yeah.
Straight through.
Everything.
Oh, you still want to hear what's going on?
Yeah, everything was going.
Oh, alright. In all my years, I never know a gunshot at so. Lucky me there talk to you.
In all my years, I never know sauce of jail hard. Deal it.
Well, you know, actually never deserve it anyway, you know, on our part. Anyway, whilst I was in hospital, or is it when I was on, you know, I was on bed rest at home, the soup called me and he told me that he sent a team to the premises and they said it was thoroughly checked.
Which premises they sent the team?
That's the old lady there, man, Miss Williams.
Oh, the old lady's house.
And they said that it was thoroughly checked and they found nothing. They said that, you know, they went in the house and they didn't find anything.
Look like she run away.
Yeah, I mean, she disappeared like a fart in the wind, it looked like. But anyway, what I want you to do, because you seem like you see her and whatever, you know, always have some encounter, is that I want you to make sure that you call me. Give me a number anyway.
My number?
Yeah, wait, your phone. You get back your phone, right?
I'm check if it's there in the bag.
Yeah, man, your phone in the bag, man. Alright.
I'm telling you, Sarge, it's not easy.
Yeah, man, I'm going to make you write a number. Yes, I'll give me. That lady there, now, we're going to put her on the most wanted list. So, as I say, if you hear or see anything with her, make sure say you call me, now you personally call me, because guess what? I have a beef with that woman, you know. I have a beef, I have a bone for pick with her. You understand me? And, you know, based on all this and so forth, you know.
Dear man. What going on? Yeah, man, I'm okay, man. I might pass through today, right? No long time away from me, man, but yeah, man. We talk when we reach, man, right? Yeah, man. Me I come over one drink. Yeah, man. I'll be there shortly. Auntie. Wait, there, man.
Yeah, what's up? Man,
Yes, man.
good day, man. Ah, Ted. Why? Now you say they are jail for one, man.
Boy, for real, brother, I tell you.
Yeah.
It's just a little misunderstanding still, no? With the back on the road.
Yeah, say. So how long now you come out? Because gunshot me, you see the pan.
Yeah, but it's just some misunderstanding.
So, I really gun charge with you?
They never charge me, no, but they have me upon reasonable suspicion.
Why?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
you, all them that thing there, on gun.
But you see, sometimes when I try to explain, when I'm catching at the act, you know, and you know about perception, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perception is a word, brother. Because, I mean, they did caught me with 2 firearms in my hand.
Yeah, say to me.
Yeah, man. But it wasn't mine. They belong to the same granny that I told you about, Miss Williams.
Okay,
You know,
come
that's
here
it.
and say, you look next to me to Christian, you know. So, when the gun thing, when they tell me, say, puzzle me.
Serve me one beer, you know, cold jack and something. Yeah, man.
So, you want me open it?
Yeah, man. Open for me that. Yeah, man. You want 1 to 1?
Yeah, man.
Take 1 to 1. Yeah, man. Tell me what.
No, I'm out to beat, you know, because I tell me I tell out, you know.
Okay.
Drink up some heap of rum and have some hangover.
Tell a boy. You rough, man, cause boy, I first never go to jail, you know.
Yeah.
And we can tell a man that. Don't go there.
No, I encourage nobody if you go.
We not encourage not to my enemy to go there.
Yeah. So what going for the teaching? Yeah, go back on the teaching.
I want to go back to school, you know. But there are several things that lingers on my mind, you know. Like my friend Camille. Until now. Can't
No
find-
return.
No return. And I am of the belief, I strongly believe that it's that old lady took her away.
Ah, lady did terribly, you know.
So I don't
Go on
know.
the seat, you know.
I tell her.
Yeah, man, the lady that mix with devil, man.
Why I tell her, brother?
The one when says police are look for her, man, she wanted, man. She found wanted Wednesday. Yeah, man.
I see it. When I was telling you about her, you never believe.
Never believe. She never look that way, man.
Yeah.
I
Look,
tell her you can't judge a book by a cover.
you cannot.
Can't
You can never do that. Looks are deceiving.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Because, but you know, if I wasn't in this situation, and somebody else, you know, tell me about it. I believe, I wouldn't believe as well, you know, trust me.
Right, me I tell her.
Because, you know, she looks so simple and innocent. Yeah, man.
Real, man.
So, like, man, everything alright?
Yeah, man, so far. Not everything, you know, but
yeah.
you know, we have to go and live.
Yeah. Boy, dear man, I really want to find Cam before. I'm not sure if I'm going to go back at the same school to teach, but I want to find Cam before I start
teach
again.
Yeah.
You know, my brain not that steady, you know.
Aye.
I tell her, dear man.
The old lady that like a berry or something, cause that being body can't find or nothing. And look how long. Feels she should have her tie up somewhere. You know, feed her. Why?
Boy, I know. So long now is that I lose hope. I lose hope.
And in time they will tell me. I
lose hope, dear man.
She did.
You know, look so promising, you know. But me still.
You still have a hope, say.
Yeah. We just want to hear what I'm.
Yeah.
Definitely want, you know. But anyway, dear man, a long time now have one beer.
Yeah.
You know, and so boy, today I make to the pass.
Yeah, I'm glad to see you, man. Boy.
Yeah,
man.
man.
Jail for 2
Boy,
guns.
I tell her, yes.
Tell me I say me blow.
But they are
my friend, I have to give him 2 guns, you know. 2 guns.
Brother, I don't own one. So I'm own ya. Me still a charge with me wash
yeah,
it.
Man.
Like
always.
Like always. Because me know what me know. You understand?
That's true, man.
Me know what me know. So, dear man, all the best, you know.
Alright. So we have the man, and if we hear nothing, man, we make you know.
Yes.
But check out the wanted Wednesday thing there and see if you know say granny funny.
Okay, me never know. Me and the officer reason still.
Yeah.
But me catch up on
alright,
something, right?
Yeah, man, make your phone work. Man.
Yeah, make your phone work, right? Yeah, man, alright, my brother. Blessed love, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool. Right, Sarge. How you doing, sir? Yes, right, I haven't seen her, no. I haven't seen her anywhere around, trust me. But I'm looking at the house now, currently. Boy, Sarge, you look like this house is abandoned. No, I don't even know. Yes, because I have a friend that he told me that he heard that she's not here anymore. Yes, sir. No. Right. Boy, Sarge also look evil, Sarge. Trust me. I think you should come and do an operation on your own, Sarge. Trust me. Who to tell you may find some more guns and drugs or ammunition and possibly earn yourself another promotion, Sarge. Right. Yeah, man, I really think you should come and check, man. Trust me. Yes, sir. I'm keeping safe, man. I always have my cutlass, you know. Yes, sir. Alright, so if I see her around, I'll call you. First thing. Yeah, man. Alright then, Sarge. Yeah, man, I'm on the lookout and I'm being careful. Right. Yes. She wanted now? Yes, she finally on the wanted list. Yes. Wow. Wow. Wow.
What, that dog look well fed, man. Obviously somebody feeding him. So what they say they come here so much time and they don't see anybody? That's weird. Somebody's coming here, man. But that sound like somebody, man. What? Hello? Hold on. You're in here all along? Jesus. Hold on. What? Hold on, let me get this off your mouth. Jesus Christ. Hold on.
Oh, thank God.
I can't believe this. So, you were in here so long?
Yes. Very long. Very long.
God.
Something has happened.
You're here all this time?
Yeah, for the longest while I have not seen her. She only come here and feed me and go away.
Oh, what? My God, this is unbelievable. And you survived so... Hold on, let me get you outside. Try, hold on, wait. Ease up there, come up. Let me get you. Oh my God. Whoa. Take it, hold on. Have a seat here. Jesus. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Look at you. My God. Oh my God, you know we've been searching for you how long?
Oh Lord.
You sure she's not here, right?
No, she's not here.
My God.
When she comes, she just come to feed me and go away.
So she kept you alive all this time?
Yeah, and I don't know why.
Yeah, because I mean, from everything that we gather, my God.
I'm not feeling too well.
I know, oh my, hold on.
I'm weak.
Oh God, just relax right there. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna have to call the ambulance
Please.
to come and get you right now.
Yeah, but please, I need you to call Zach for me.
Zach?
Yes.
You have his Zach number also. I can call Zach
I
for
need
you.
you to call Zach for me.
Oh my God. I can't believe it.
I'm not feeling too well. Honestly, I'm not feeling too well.
I understand. Hello? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm me, man. Straight call to you. Anyway, want you send one ambulance and want you send backup to, but I prefer send the ambulance first. Yeah, man. Right at Petersfield, man. Where them do the welding. Damn, yes, right. Well, yeah, you obviously know some come here already. Same place. Alright, just deal with it for me right away. And send backup. Right now. Emergency. Alright? Alright, yeah, good. Anyway, I'm going to call Zach back for you right now, okay?
Yeah, please.
My God. This is a miracle.
Let him know that I'm alive and well.
I don't know.
I'm not well, but I'm alive.
You're going to make the news.
You serious? You serious? May I come now? May I come? What, Sarge, where's her now? Where she is?
Well, ambulance, they're going with her down the hospital. She's fine.
You saw me tell you, Sarge. Sarge, you saw me tell you.
Alright, but anyway, listen to me. She's
So
fine.
I know such a long, Sarge. Eh? I came here the last time and nobody, it's like, not even me never know, so how you find out in where?
Listen, but look at the scenario. If look in your waist bars and so forth, you see, you know.
Sorry about that, sir.
That cause a problem. I mean, when I saw you and you approach with that, you know.
I'm so sorry, sir.
We don't. Why?
No, but
anyway, put that aside.
yes, sir, but the thing about it, I have to protect myself.
Yeah, she's
No,
alright.
Look.
She said she was fed. Never really tell me exactly how she was fed, but she was fed. I don't know the condition she was in before all of this, but she's alive and I think she will make it. So, you know, because she consciously talking and everything, so at least she was eating and so forth. So
Can't believe it.
I don't know. Anyway, I want to apologize. It's not a believing, but it's just you're tired what you had in your hand and stuff, so, you know.
But sir, I told you, you know.
I know, but I mean, you know, actually, it's just a scenario I come here and see it.
I understand, man.
Problem.
Perception,
But
sir.
anyway, she's alive. I don't know why, because that woman don't save nobody. So I don't know why is it that she's alive. And at least we're thankful for that. Alright? On your behalf. We have a lot of people grieving and stuff, but at least on your behalf, she's alive.
Sarge.
She's at the hospital.
Oh my gosh. This lady put me through turmoil. She make me go jail.
Anyway, she's alive. Alright?
Oh my gosh. So I go down by the hospital. We could have just see her down there.
Yeah, I tell her that when you come, because actually it takes too long to come, you have her down there. So you can go ahead and
I run me. So Sarge.
yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Yeah? I go down by the hospital, yeah?
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, Sarge. Right, I went to my body hospital, but they say I can't visit her now. It's too soon. Alright, I just have to wait until she's back home. Alright, thank you, Sarge. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Georgia. Really? How about that? $1 million. Then they use get this man. We're so old man. Then I use get this man. We're so more grab a bike too, you know. $1 million. Okay. Alright. Go pick up my machete and then we'll go for the work. $1 million. It's easy money that to me, you know. Most can't catch it. Oh man, she not go hard. $1 million. Jesus! One brand new bike a morning. Yeah, go find the old man and want to collect the $1 million. Yeah. Let's go get it. Alright. Oh no. I don't even want to look for the old man. Wait. Then I thought this was serious. I buck her up again. You know, so nobody now for some $1 million though. Yeah. I never $2 million me I get like how I see him 2 times or 1. But anyways, if you don't run so that means she have to do something around there. So alright, granny, near you. Hey granny, don't play with me, you know. Play with me.
Come! Hello, auntie. Come! Yes, you come? Come! Come is here? Come!
Hey, who is that? Who is it?
It's Zach.
Oh, I'm coming.
My gosh, I can't believe this. What? Come. What's up? Oh my God, I can't believe it. Oh my God.
I remember the day.
I can't believe it. Oh my God.
I'm happy to see you.
Come here alive.
Yes, I am.
Come here alive.
Yes, I am. Where we sit down.
Come. You are alive?
Yes, I am in true colors.
Oh my. Come. I thought I would never see you again.
I know. I thought I would never see you again too.
Oh God. I came by the hospital yesterday, but they told me that I wouldn't be able to see you. But they told me that they weren't going to admit you, so.
Yeah, they treat me as
Come.
Zach, we have a lot to talk about.
Come, you're alive?
Yes, I am alive, Zach.
Come, you're alive?
Yes, Zach.
Come, are you this?
Yes, I believe. Zach.
Come.
that
I
moment.
thought I would never see you again, come.
Holding
Zach,
you
it's
so
a lot
tight.
I've been through.
I couldn't
Only
sleep.
in
I not
my
sleep last night.
dreams it was you
Alright,
and
Zach,
I.
it's
Come on,
Knew
man.
rough
I'd
road,
make
yes.
you mine.
Rock the talk,
Never
rock the talk, rock
leave
the
your
talk.
side.
My God, I
Only
can't
in
believe
my
this. Come.
dreams it was you and
Zach,
I.
that lady feed me with people hand weight. We should take them life, Zach. From ever since she captured me, a pay hand, me I eat Zach. Hand, lunch, breakfast and dinner. And then the days them when she not come, me just have to do it out. But me have to eat it because me couldn't do better. Trust me, Zach.
Hold on. Come. You mean, what you call hand? Them hand?
The mirror,
Real
natural
hand?
hand.
Come, you sure you alright? Like,
Oh,
up
me
there,
tell
so?
you, yeah, no, me not too sure, so me alright up here, so my stomach feel bad, Zach. I don't
Come.
even want my enemy to go through what me go through.
Come, hold on.
But Zach,
Hold on, come, hold on.
sit down right here, so right now, me kind of feel scared. Where she is now?
Nobody knows to tell us me there in the street and I see her picture put up $1 million reward if you find her and turn her into the police.
Mercy.
She's a dangerous woman and I'm glad say when you find out. Well, not you, cause you actually know what going from when you. See?
Lord have mercy. Then how
But
much
me
people?
glad say the police them get to understand what happened.
Is a lot of people she damage?
Come, I'll jail me when I no one talk about it. Yeah, man.
For what?
I just come back from jail. Come, the same house where the police them find. You know, so I came there. Yes, but I came around the other room and I found the guns and I stick her up and call the police. And when I call the police, they instead lock me up. Come, said that the guns are mine.
What?
But I didn't even know that you were in the building, or else I would rescue you.
Yeah, because she tie up my hand, she tie up my mouth. Only when she feed me, she pull it off. Me try a lot of things. Me try, me move up, me try pull my foot them. But honestly to God, Zach, I couldn't move.
Come. Honestly, right now, we kind of scared of you. Know. Don't say that. Don't say.
Me think me mentally disturbed, my mind.
Like
my
me,
mind.
no,
Me
but because when I
it's
say
like me
hands,
traumatized.
yeah, because listen, when I say eat hands, like no make nobody else say so. Cause
But Zach,
no
a
do so.
reality.
Hmm?
A reality, I truth, Zach. But she have me lock up the whole long and me not have nothing to eat. That's all me could eat.
Come.
And she feed me.
I think you need counseling still, cause me no really think.
Zach,
Me no really think.
even one of the
People
time, even one of the time, me tell her, say me don't want no more, and she draw the gun. Zach, that woman is dangerous, me afraid her right now, me feel scared.
So come, you mean like hands, literally hands eat? Come, me just don't feel like you're right, you know.
Honestly to God, me come home last night, and I just pay a hand in my dream.
Jeez and peace. It's hard to believe, but me have tried to believe you.
Boy, man.
Because, I mean, to see you alive, you must have eat something, but what should you cook it up and make it look like honor? I don't know, but anyway.
It look like soup.
Wow. But anyway, come, I really think I need to see us.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to do that, Zach. Honestly, I'm going to do that.
Honestly, come. Granny, she wicked, but I don't really think she gonna do that, feed upon nobody. And
Then
if she keep it all this time,
Zach,
come.
why would I lie about that? How long you know me, Zach?
Come,
We work together. We've been friends for so long. Why would I lie to you?
Come, I know, but what I'm saying, I know that she do things and she take people life, but come on, man. Why would she cut off the people, man, and give you heat?
Boy, I don't know, she just wicked. She just wicked, just hands.
But anyway, come. Whatever you say, I'm just glad to see you.
So what them plan for do about her? What the police
Alright,
do?
so-
Because right now, me go out and me kind of afraid because I don't know if she's still a watch me. Because she's still out there.
Come, me not stop walking my cutlass. Actually, me come over here, I don't want my spot system with it. Me leave right out of breadfruit tree there, so here we go on. See if I can walk with a knife or something. Right? Or get a pepper spray or something. But the police are after her. So I mean all we have to do, because my plan know that you're back, we can focus now. Come, I gotta tell you the truth, come. We couldn't focus. We couldn't focus.
Right now, you see how me lock up the place when you come here, you see how long me take to answer you?
And come. Me have something I want to say to you.
Okay.
A confession.
Okay, go ahead.
Really hard to say now, because me and your friend over the years come. Would you marry me, come?
Really?
Yes.
Really, Zach? Oh my God.
Oh my God, let me get.
But you have this all planned out.
Yes, right here. My God. Come, I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Can't function without you, come.
I miss you too.
No. I think I'm going back to school now. Get back
That will
my
be
life on
good.
track.
But I think I'll be out for a while.
Yes, just for a little while.
Yes.
And I'll be right by your side, okay?
I know, Zach, you have always been by my side. But Zach, guess what? I have a confession to make too.
Tell me.
It's like a dream come true.
Serious?
Yes. But me that wait on you for make it first move.
Come.
Yeah.
You know easy, you know?
Yeah, me know for ever since me I come over the play field and we are hang out together, and since all of this happened, I know. Me know that work with me.
You know what? Come. I'm just happy. I'm not happy to say what happened, but everything play out for good.
True.
So this caused me to brave up, because I'm lose and I never get a chance to tell you.
Right. Me, that's all been going through my mind. So look, how Zach used to warn me, and before all of this happened, I could have tell Zach that I really like him, and look, then I could have just gone.
But guess what? We are here, and we are here for a reason.
Yeah.
Hug me again, baby.
What? Jesus. Second day upon this, on the road, and I can't find this old man. Treasure. Easy money, but it's hard. You know, say I up something for God. Granny, me catch you. Alright. Do it like that. Come.
Please, me, I beg you, why you do this? Miss? Hello?
Don't touch me! Don't touch it! You don't hear what I said?
Sorry.
You're sorry.
Why you do this?
Where are you from?
Same place you pick me up and that's how I come. That's how you feel like me go and make me go on.
Who is your parents?
Please, please, me, I beg you. Please, let me go now. Please. Me, I beg.
I am going to put this down and I don't want to see you touch it. Okay? Answer me.
Yes.
I am serious. Look at me. You think I'm joking? Look at my face. You don't know me. I am a very nice grandma. You will see for yourself. You're a very, very, very nice girl. Open the bag.
You know how long me I look for you? Come to me, man. I'll search our police station. You know how long me I look for you? Come, man. Then I wait this young girl or so. Come on, man. I don't have station
Open it.
where I go.
Open it. Young man,
Come, man.
what is
You
your
good girl?
name? You come to see
Don't worry
me.
about me name. I you me come for.
Then come and get me. What is your name? I like you.
You can't like me. You good girl? Come with me, no granny. About 2 days me I look for you. I don't have much time, man.
You need to come and get me.
The whole station I wait for you. You good girl? Want you?
Shut the hell up! Now I've got 4 hands. I like it. I'll give you one more, you know, because you're very, very inquisitive. I don't like people inquisitive in my business. You're very, very inquisitive. I'll give you one more to make sure you gone for real. Next time, you call my phone before you come and meet me. You came up on me unexpected and I don't like it. You call my phone. Let me see what's going on here. I am coming back for your hands. I'm not joking. I will get some pepper for you to season up those hands. Those 2 hands that you have give too much problem. What you doing with machete? Eh? Can you manage? Come, my darling. I am going to deal with you now. Don't worry. I was doing something over there. I was a little bit busy. Don't worry about it. It's your time now. You gone for real? You know that I wanted you to be my best friend? But you scream too damn much. I don't like it. Next time you ask me if you can scream before you scream. I give you the back to open it, you throw it on the ground. That is very rude of you. No problem. No problem. I'll put your hands in it.
Even.
Yeah. See you later. See you later.
That's a point in the chat too much. Come on.
What are they so long? How long me I look for now?
Granny Lou, what the? You know, woman pan the wanted poster where officer just put up so. Who pass the lady and the girl I come pine pan the lady, tap me, I come chat was say, the other. No woman up on the wanted poster. Maybe tell the girl with tap in her eyes.
A dangerous woman no come.
He never knows to up before life finger.
Come in.
Hurry up, guy, woman, you say that woman, come on.
Two this time? Yeah, one of them have gunshot wounds all over, but him hand them severe. They chop off. Oh my God. This young lady, all that, nothing, just our hands them gone. Listen, my man. We have to go we have to go move up. We have to go put up more surveillance. We have to go do more. We have to go set up more. We have to go do something and catch this woman, man. It cannot continue like this. This woman can't evade police and so forth like that. One woman, one old woman. No, man, she make you look bad, man. Hello. Yeah, man. Miss Granny walk and rock. I must buck you, you know. And I go and give back your gunshot. Miss nice lady. I want to take a good look at this. It's a reward. And anyway you see this lady here, I want you to contact the police for me, here. There's a reward on it. Let's look out for her. No, you keep it. I have a lot in the bus there. I have to catch that lady. So anyway you see that lady, make sure you contact the police. There's a reward there for her, here. Alright? $1 million. Okay? So just take a good look at it and remember. Alright, I have a lot in here. So let's keep that one.
If I catch you, you will see.